Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Adobe Express. To begin, simply open the application on your desktop or navigate to the web version in your browser. You'll immediately see the user-friendly home screen, offering a wide array of project categories like social media posts, flyers, and videos. Take a moment to explore the hundreds of professionally designed templates available. You can also use the powerful search bar to quickly locate specific themes or design assets, saving you valuable time and effort. Next, let's dive into the core editing tools that make Adobe Express so powerful. You'll find intuitive controls for manipulating text, adjusting image properties, and customizing shapes with ease. Discover the magic of one-click background removal, transforming your photos instantly. Effortlessly resize your creations for different platforms, from Instagram stories to YouTube thumbnails. Plus, gain access to a massive library of millions of royalty-free stock photos and videos, ensuring your projects always look professional and engaging. Now, let's create your very first project. Begin by selecting one of the thousands of pre-designed templates, or choose a blank canvas for complete creative freedom. Personalize your text with dozens of unique fonts, adjust colors to match your brand, and easily upload your own logos or images. Don't forget to explore the animation features to add dynamic movement to your designs, making them truly stand out. You can even apply various effects to images for a polished, professional finish. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. Adobe Express offers flexible export options, allowing you to download your project in high-quality formats such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on your needs. You can also share your designs directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks, or generate a shareable link. For team projects, easily invite collaborators to edit, ensuring everyone can contribute to the final masterpiece. It's incredibly simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.